Klur Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, kabala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
U sembut menteri rang ba kejala u ba singau balang dhar. U laitu ba Sorkar kala depan ya ka work order ka ba Kumba prapo Klur AA na kabenta ban sina Pynheh ya ka Kadliengsuiñ ha Umroi bat shen kinsas dang ban pentreno ya ka kam. U laong bala butong ban pendep ya ka kam tang hapo khat prabanai nadu ba ya ka work order. Halor ka surok ban penyeso ya ka Shillong bypass ya Kadliengsuiñ uba singau balang ulaong baka kam kalayan bat ulai thu baka surok kadai na belfon langgarding ban mi sya sekretariat bathamai ban nang tu pat kan mi bed sya airport kadai ru ka surok kabla mang tingka shispa laipusan Klur tingka da katanat PWD.
Umroi Airport, the work for expansion has been allotted, so they are yet to start the work. That is the good news. Recently, I forgot, but this is the what has been allotted at 80 crore plus minus more or less. So I'm yet to get the final work order. Just the record from the airport. I told Auntie, so the work has been allotted. Already there, the works in the progress. From Belfon, Langkading to New Skater to work Umroi directly to the airport. The road is under progress now. This is 135 crore from the department.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.